Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hagini ki khandiat sngi lami kansan ki jingkeno leng baka social media baka perton sipai CRPF jong ka 67 battalion ka baka lenjong ki kadon hapolo ka bahap hapo ka snong laumali pelun kala kentur put halor ka wa umkra ka basdang nado jingking polo terter shado sa jingking laumali hagajo ko por la ongru baka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ka balashna yakayo namar silyang bat kani kalen jong ki CRPF ru kala kentur pot hakani ka wa nagaliang jong ka Batesi TV ngilayo ban yakren bat katto kat ningot ki nong song snong jong ka nong ba shalong ki ba amkwa asatya ban penpau kerteng handrai ki balak kado bat keno bakani ka snat jong ki pulit CRPF 67 battalion kala skut jubor yaki benta jong ka wa umkra da ka ba pendap khando
Ti nagapor nakaliang jonga kumuwi ni kinong snong mo ubaya lenti nang ni napulo nakapor sa kapor ngaya ngayang nang ni marga song sa hamolay ti hakini isnam ke blalet ngimpal ui ya kanika encroachment kemungin ong nak kejig terput mo sa kawa kejig ka manin kong kalong ba manu ba ay kata ko hok long try mo ba ban kam ganti ka jiya lenti jong kawa ko kata ka manin kong bat kebaar habang ipet ya kejinglong jingman jong ko bang kra nakapor sakapor kani kam desu ko kubor ko ba pla deng lap nong mo ya kejingwan kejung slap akipor liur andala slap katugan ni sngi katugan ni miet kejing dap ko bat ko ra kejing julor ke bebun kam ta me ban bu jing maru ikibri ke besyong ni harut menta ko mangini i hal ndat jong ah ni pi kejing terput ka along katu kat ni put bat ka de baro arliang mamlahi mo na siliang ron CRPF pan ni siliang ru ti hang ni baru arliang ki terput ti mentah ko kanian kita ka dijing keli bening kong bala dalara mentah hajrong ya kanika yu aksi ya kanika wa nei kebak ta ni kong ya ka de gini gi beri ke basong hajan harut jong ni ko kibas masenda ba kanika jing terput kan kata ka dijing keli ngabu ya kani khnang ba shwa banja kanu ke basungsi ngidang don ni ka puar mata slap udang hajangai ti ngidang la ban ei ti kadon kam kebening kong kebengi ong tinong way mo prevention is better than cure ting yumara khna ikani kijing slow na mar ngidon kijing sung khia ila di mo marbala rangi kumuri pa ba ngimla ban keren ban pen sngow ya kanu nu ka bentai kanu nu ka phang kamat ka bala ban kata iki wi pan kan mentoy iyu yangi bengin don benta hakata ka sensyar pa ba ka he tam ha ka ri bro ko way mo ki india ka ong ti kum way ni kinong sung bodan kijing itli ngawan ra ya kata ka jukling bening kong ikin nong ikita giba ay kabor mo ban inkrut seni ban kuntur put ya kawa ko bat kabaar hadu menta ngamtep la kata kendon kadon la kadon du balai kam trekam halor ka jingsna ba ka jingtei ya kinu gijing tei harut jongka jugiwa mo harut jugiwa ka jingtei ka jingsna kinu jingsna ngai skam kendon sika kendon dan ke bor jokan kata mita sanpu mita ba kunta terter Tiada dan kita kendon hangnu kita rekam bat ha kanu ke jurisdiction kita rekam kata kari gawai bat skawai nilai i kata snem nilai yat mo halor ka bede begini ko ba amkhra ka jingpen khuat jongka na ka por hot ngapen pau jing sungu ikiti seng bahlang na tagi riushimat ki belawan chkhmat ya ka ben sno ktilang men khuat gini ka ba kata ka ditang ka temporary approach ngamen mo handrai ka bamantang haban parkhat ya ka e ka bakham jengai kenapa ngla ban nora ban solve kini kijing but hakani kan tinga subantang ka ba mentah ka bakong san ka de betang ya kani syo ka bentang pa bangan keren ya ka jing kuntur put kani ditang benta ba hongi be ui hakman hagibi benta silentar jong ni ka ba hatu dan em kata inspection ni kata ka jingwat benia ni tigi beri pet halor kani ka benta tiba hakani ka rut ka ba am khra kan kata ri ka bai om tang ni ka ba am khra ngai skam gidan gibi ba ru ba ma kani ka rut jing kuntur put sam kata ka ri ka bai ba sa kamay ru ngidan kita ginong tawaan mo ngidan kita ginong tawaan tiba dan la ka jong ka bor ikhtiar bande mo ni maka juk ka ba idon ni kinang thawan subastat ki badon ka jing nang jing tep kan di hadu menta hadu kan ni ka klemat ka menta hatu kita ki an ki ban yada mariang bila don lupa ki snat trikam jok sokar ki bedi petik tang ya ka mariang mo hadu ki kini ki ibaro hadu ki lalen em kadan em kata ka jing purut dang jadi kata ka jing sedang ban snai kita ki kendot nan ban yada am tang ni ka am khra ba ki wa mar ko mangan soang ki menta sakat nu tili ki wa kinang jabo sakat nu tili ki wa kinang kalan nala sakat nu tili ki wa nginang penjot nomor ba hadian habut ngi ki wa siti ki than jan tiag long kumno bat ngani thu pi stang hadin chho khatsan snam dareng la amat bat mentar ngi la abun ki snang ki pamat ka jingkur do liniam ki pamat ka jingkur do tik mentar la da ki baro ki ki wa ki jabolot ki kalan nala lot ti kumnu ki ngila ban solve kata water crisis ke ban soban hadin habut ko bangidak sedap rahim nah kani kata ka demo restu aat semua ban penbahapat ya kata ka me mariak meramo tiladang ngimla ban hai ni jing sedang ibadat dijungi ngatai kalong len kan yang ai ngi begini keren tu ti kata ka di jentang jing ketu ko jonga na kaliang dibor ki bedi pet halor kani gebenta bakin ti lada si na kaliang kita ki ba ai bor ki niru kin haban ai ka jing pensai kan halor kanu kunong rem beki ai kata ka beki ai bor ban kun turput ha kanu kunong rem beki ai ba an kun turput ban ksi eta ka ba haduk atek makalong menta bat ki baju ya juyang nang ni kitip ki isai te kani di tang sur ko jong pat ba ki badon ni kata ka jingit clear nda ka menta ka baha ka met ka jing sngan kham ta me ya gini gibri ki basyong harut hakyar jong ni ko ba khra namar ba ban shisio compensation kan lo ka jing khiar yo sarkar hi te ngange skam ba ini jing kran ni jungi baret le si ila ban kersusia iktik badan saw kan ro ki basyong ki mi shuki ki badan ya ka bor ha ka ti ki jong ki bakin le
dah ka jing sngo khia ka ba sikade ya bengiat nanti nang ni ngi ya kene ka wa khra ka bla benana nadu ki por parang maswa rimenta kala jandu jandam no tang na kada ku jing sama kor jing ka to kat ni ka ni jing lap jing menta sngi kalong jing kentur put jong kini ki CRP ki bedo hang ni ba kita the ni khendeu ka wa ba ka wa menta kala long nala namar nasi yang pat lasna saya ka kenro jong ki municipal te halor kene kebentang ngi kum kipat ba ngimla su ban su snap ban su ab ya kita kibor berikhmi bakin le ngi man se ban penpa pat ba ya kene mal kamla su ban nang petanggung ni khmat hadu lano bangin ab baka mariang kan sa ada kejubab ke bat tengang nomor ondak la ai maka ngi gi khun ben riu ngimla ban tan nalade nalo kata ngiwan hani kum kipat ba man persgeu man persngap sekipat ba jong kari khasi baro kawai ba kene ke jing keturput kam semla jatang hang ni ndai wi kita karu ba de halor kani ke beta kene ke tak example lani ka kanuksa ba bagi kepat ki bor ki padi pet bagaimana sekemat pensai mana bla jing bet ikini bakin keturput kum ni kementoy nya perkhoi ya kan banyak keren ni perkhoi ka khra lada kata ka khra kam don shu kementoy kita ki folklore ki bakila sanction General kata ngi kerpat iki bo bripet khantam ya ka environment committee jong ka sokar me khlia bakin dapet ya kene ka kam bakin phai khmat sani kumju ke MLA ke MDC bat ki trat department of fair nadu ka municipal board hadu ka pollution board bat kumta terter kimla ban susung ta office wan sini samadan pe yang ni ndai tang jing jabo rai mata kala jandu jandam no halor kene ka benta ngi kim kipat ba ngi dawa video pensai marmar ya kene kakam suaba nuan uslap bajur suaba nuan kajing sli ke bajur ke bala bakta ya kini kipat ba ki basyong senda jo kene kawa denaro kene ni sapek kini ski kemenuan balakim le ye nimban se ban sim sudah ki pat kilat
ngi keran ya kene kada be tek tang ya encouragement untuk diri babang ngimpat keran ya kene kajing berat nyot ngimpat keran ya kene kajing berat jopo ya kini le ngila dap keran dak pau dak spasen kajingkli menta kalong ba mano bat nangno ki yo jingbet nai ki obtain kata permission ban the khendau hadu katne bat lah hato ka district administration ka urban department ka irrigation department ka PHE department ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board but what hadu ka environment committee lah ki don jingtip na me kane what hadu i local ML i don na am ka jingtip na mta kane Namar lada piong ba kimut ban le na mata kino ki project ki ban construct o ki ban le ki kenja tree plantation ki ban yada na mata kani kajing sleium kamdon jingmut te phisa ki pioi kanena siliang ru kilap capture nang tai ni siliang ru kilap capture kajing kli manta kalong na pen penyaj ya kawa te na pen penyaj ya kawa namar kanihi kan bu jingma lada kineru kilai dai kine ki snong ki bomar khap ki bomar jan kin sa syak ta ning kong hadu katno go gomen kalong ready ban siu ya compensation lada JIA kini ki patba hatu kata ka 50 meters kaba hakiwe ki district ki dah ban le ya kata ka sobe ban ailat ban construction lane reconstruction lane ban shnai kino khamtam hai kini ki maino water course lane kita ki majo water course la hato hangni hapolo kile na me kata barla da kile ya kata nangno ki jingbet phi kata ka de jingkli ngidon kam clarification namar phi kane kam dei ka concern lane ki issue ka ba sngu khiatang mano da ki spa da ki hajar ngut ki pajba ki lapan sngowe kane tengi kum ki samla kum ki ta ki concern individual ki bangi yo I ya kine kan sabu jingma ba tang poi uslap phin sa sakhi hi ya kane ke baro what man la usnam ngila yo I ya kane ke jing syarat jong kini ki yeng ki sam ki ba hajan te balai ken hadu menta kim frame te kim don kita ki lo ki ban regulate na menta ban construct kini ki building khamtam kini ki bayale ban encroach ya kini ki wa te namar kani ngan ong ya phi kan sabu jingma hadu kata om dei ngem ya keren shu ya kita ki do om le hang ne kim don do om shu ngia keren ya jing imbreu ko ban kom te kata hi kadai kapoin ka ba kham kong san kalong ba haswa ban poi menta nga iba kan pilayo I menta kini kajing tujung ka wat ini iba ibarit ro menta ngai kala kamdon jaka shu ban datut namar balai pilayo kumbang ong nang teiro gila turpot nang neru gila turpot te syai kin penyaja kene kawa te kawiru ka benta ka bangingi kwa ka bangingi sngu khya ba kalong ba ngim kerantang ya kabadai hang ne hapolo mo ni sakhi ki district ni sakhi ki jaka man la usnam haba poi kini ki benai liur kajing syarat ya kini ki wa kajing syarat kini ki yeng ki sam ki bakan turput sekiwa kalolong siapa pelatu kata-kata ki babu tang na pos sekretariat lah haban syami steng mit stay dilhi ban lek pan denishan ban lek pan jing arab ban lek yo kita ki jing ban siu kita ki bailot kesan ya kini ki lanot ki basya aling shop ke bor mariang tega menta kalong kasa stang ba kajing keli kalong ba lahato kita ki bor ki badai khmi nakawai ke sarkar la shuya play game ku bang ong mene kimniale ye telano khniale kawam khale ngitip kidon kadon ya kene ka project ka ban rejuvenate sia kane kidon ya ka project ka ban rejuvenate sia kita giwa sata isa non ba stawas kesel district sta giwa men pedu kini giwa on serpi kini giwa tartar hapo ke jela meglia ndrai hadu menta nyimyu I begini implement on the ground kikot tang kami kikot tang kejing ya keren menta kalong bakane environment committee kayu inam ya kane kayu inam ya kane lane kinda abah ki pajba kinda haban mi ban persya ban keren kini hadin soong ba upajba kat batmu kat bamud ban le usu persya bai nginai persya kumno kan dalaki kpat kisaki kitenman ki kro ki biaj nang ne man kapor la suong ba balai kim ya le ai pementa ngidon kam kanya clarification na ki obtain ya NOC bat ke jingkar padru kalai si kibor sunong ba ke jing sakta kan long ya ki la sai le sni ki yeng ki sam ki bamarjan pihaban sim ke jingket kli pihaban sim khia kane lada klain ki bor sunong ngiru pajba ngi snok tilang kinla le yu kita ki kindai kita ki sipai BSF kita CRPF ki ban kamprai ya kelintia jung ki ba tementa kumbang ong ya pingi sakhi bar arliang ya turput ka jubab kin se jubab hi ringidon kam qualification mana wa jing beti ki ban turput kumne ya kawah umta nrei ka ka bangi ngiwan hang ne spot menta kolong bangi represent ya ubabun balang mo ngim padati bah ki kita ki fact and figures ki balong ha ki in black and white ngim padati bah mo yo le se ki badai yo le se ki bom dai ya katangim padla ban comment kan le se ki bor snong ru ki don ka benta ka ban ai jing penchai khambha ka bai dai bat kan ne te ngi representant namenta upajba ya ki jing sukhya jung ki babun balang te nrei ngin sapet ken lada kanu kamdon kata ka respon ka ba positif ka ba la ban kabalong acceptable hangi upaj ba ngila ban move da competition ngila ban ya chatmat sokokot ro nama kini tangkan ki jing berat jabo ro kini ki babun ki kias menta gidang sakot thi sokokot tega gomen kari ban suthu kain ba wap penbor ke yangi ki paj ba bangin haban dale kini ki namar ndang isyem kini ki senjam dai pin syukut tang kaya sufain pin syukut tang kan wan ra jing kan bu jing te ngi request ngi appeal bahkan ni kan num lek tang hangno kan lek khobro ki badan benta ki badai ban syem ki jingket kli bat ki badai ban syem ka decision le se ki badan ya kata kabo decision making ban ai jingbet ya kini bro kai ti kai bang ngin sale ngin samu fa hat in the future ngin sapet kai bang ngin le ri mentahi ni pen sngau tang ya kai ba ki babun balang ban kaliang jongi kum ki paj ba ni su kya ya kan ke jinglong jingman ka bang ngila sakhi ngila witnessi lagi jong ikmat
Sawa dan kartu, mentada setang kartu te, kau beli dengan tim larit kenala sendiri lasim te, kau beli dengan setang kartu lagi pedang lama.
Alor kani tinggi kuat benda ok nama ngim di res nong sini mah, ni sa semua pap tang ba nama ngi ikir ba senang ro kila lipet catai. Tiki ong bala dong kila atur plak kan diga nala kai nama sebut nusa ta kahe ba ni nana ni, kan suang isong haniro kadak dong haniro. Sementara long likum ni tu kemut lasada polio tak kemut kan sanang dak lucu doh ni. Dan tak kadang ngi komen si kan iba piawan kemening setelah hana marak la long le mon tin ki ser piru. Mama tak kentur setu menta kan ida lat ka bentuk bait kam long su em. Resipar ka jo kan kilong kicing ada em try ni kata tingim tip. Terla men jadi hilang arliang ro i kata tingi sak senang tengin interfere bamla ban long pi ikun. Tengi sipen iya kata pangila song hani minta lalai sangkos nan tengi i bara slap te mensua pampat dan kini ru ngani ngidap kami ka banang kong te menta lele te long kami rasai sigi tengi te lahap mi itu maria slap jurma long ting em ili bisong wai te sini ma kini arbana ada dan arbana kila kan turun dan te em ki wan dua ni ka ejungi ke itu kan lagi de ngar supaya kan terbaik senang lagi kila yawan kila ya cetai em ki ong bani kan itu long plat te kila long tur plat mah pernah tai nomor ngili kan tup kata ke penyak ki senang mah song ka bor senang kan senang ki pet ka jing khoi ka jing la ban pen ya bet ka te de terbaik senang ngili bisa ngai te le mo kan than dong em no
Hagawai pat kaliang uhe jong kani ke battalion u commandant Alok Bhattacharya ula pensyai balale yakani hadin bala yo jingbit na ki bor badai pet yakani ke Jaka kata ke Shillong Recreation Ground Trust kumjo ru na ka office jong ke deputy commissioner ke East Khasi Hills district bat ke dorbar snong jong ke Laumali Pelun Shosho uni uhe pulit CRPF ulaong balale yakani amban syukam ya ke Jaka namar kani ke perton pulit kamlong trai setia ya ke Jaka Henry la ker bat kenton nya ka wa khnang ban yada na ka jingshlai syakakam jongki pulit basa hangni kabala pentot man la kapor baslai ka wa kra
Trying to say that you are Let's see. They are now demolished. They're not. They stick to that point.
The river has been facing a lot of degradation in terms of garbage accumulation and soil erosion and stuff like that. While that is a serious problem in itself, we face a bigger problem because every rainy season, the moment it rains for a little while more, the water of the river would get into our camp and half of our camp would be under water, causing so much trouble to our men and material. So this has been a practical problem. We had been approaching various stakeholders like the district administration, the police, the Shillong Golf Recreation Trust, the local Darbar Shnong, everybody was very supportive. And then our request was to place some kind of a barrier so that some flood waters can be stopped. So with their support of all the stakeholders that I've named, with their support, we've been able to place mud along the river bank facing our camp, so that we are saved from the yearly inundation, besides being able to stop the environmental degradation on the river. So that has been our purpose, and what has been done here is to basically reduce the flood havoc, and plus clean up the river, so that the flow of water is made smooth, and there's no further degradation of the environment. First of all, like I told you, this has been done with the support and approval of all the stakeholders. And secondly, we don't own this land. This is state government's land, and we don't intend to encroach. This is not our land. It belongs to the people of the state. And we don't have any encroachment issue. Our only thing was to save our camp from the flood. So this is an embankment. This is not an encroachment. So at some level maybe there's a misunderstanding, and there's nothing. Our department is not into encroaching. If that is the story. And because we are not, this is the state government's land, and we don't intend to occupy or thing. This is just to save the camp. Okay, right now the short-term perspective on our short-term perspective is to, like I told you, is to save our camp. Just put an embankment, put a mud wall so that no water doesn't get into our camp. So that's our very simple objective right now. But we also understand that this can be this initiative can be extended to a much more extensive level, in the sense that the river and the river bank at the end of the day is a beautiful place. So since we have done so much of banking, this can be converted into some sort of a promenade, so that it can be used for recreation and stuff like that. It can also be used as a alternate road for to reduce the traffic congestion in the town. So these are possibilities. This is, I'm just thinking aloud, but since we've done most of the work, if the authorities can appreciate this, I think these are two possibilities. And we've also, at our own level, we've also started, extending, the larger landscaping objectives in the form of planting a lot of tree saplings. So the objective is that the trees will, if they are successfully grown, not only will they help reduce the soil erosion that we face for so many years, but also beautify the place. So we have, on our part, with the help of the State Forest Department, we've been able to do a lot of plantation on the bank, on our side of the bank, so that the wider beauty of the aesthetics of the place is nicely carried forward. So this is our way of looking at it. There's so much that we can do, a lot of possibilities. I hope that this experiment is successful, so that the city of Shillong can be made more beautiful. The reaction has been very nice, and everybody has been very supportive. The district administrator, the DC, the SP, they have always been. The SRGT have also been very supportive. and the Dorbar Shnong has been in fact participated in this drive. We did a joint exercise when we were clearing up the debris and the garbage. Teams from our establishment as well as theirs, we participated together as part of our regular cleaning up drive, and this was an active participation with the Dorbar Shnong, and the appreciation for our as well as their work has been very good. And the locals are also, what we can hear is that they're very appreciative of the work that we've done. Small request. It's a very we think it's a very noble thing that we are doing. There's a lot of labor involved, without any support. It's just plain our men have put in their labor, and we've done this. Right now, because it's a fresh initiative, looks a little disorganized. But I would request everyone to maybe wait for 3-4 months, let the rainy season get over. I think with the kind of initiatives that are there, very shortly you can see the effects of the initiatives that we've carried out.